homeschooling Sarah, and today is the official-ish first day of classroom setup. So what you're actually about to see is me unloading my portable a couple weeks ago because they were using it for storage, and so I just shoved things. So today I'm actually going to tackle the for real setup. Unfortunately, don't get to do any fun stuff today probably because I will mostly be cleaning and moving furniture. But here we go.
So this is kind of the before of the room. I hadn't even moved a whole lot of stuff in yet. You can kind of see the setup. I'm excited I get these 2 cabinets. I have a sink again. I have all of these really nice cubbies. Lots of blackboard space. We did get a bright box. Decent sized library area, which actually I think might still be too small, but it is what it is. Another huge blackboard, and that smartboard is hopefully leaving before the students start, and then 2 more bulletin boards.
Okay, welcome to the reality of the new classroom. None of this is mine. And some of it I can't throw away, but a lot of it is gone. Like shaving cream. Great. Old posters. I don't even know. So this is gonna take me out a minute. So, y'all know I've been looking for cardstock and they hadn't opened our PO yet, which actually opened today, but that's beside the point. Cleaning out, look what I found. So now I get to go make all my labels. Sweet! I'm gonna give you a little update. I did not clean this. This is not school ready. And all the crap has just been moved. But I need to get stuff out of my closet. So I need a space to put it. In the closet of the portable, so I need a space to put it, so these guys, where it's going.
I would just like to note here that the flatbed carts are only emptying out my closets in my portable. And so if you're ever wondering if I have too much stuff, the answer is if it takes this many flatbed carts to get it in the room, the answer is yes.
Okay, I'm exhausted. That was a lot. And I did it in like 2 hours, so that's pretty good. I've got a couple more things. I'm gonna tear down all these bulletin boards. I'll show you around in a second. And I'll show you what's left of my stuff that still needs to come in here. And then I'm like, oh, holy smokes, it's hot out today. Whew. I do not recommend doing what I did today, which is just throw stuff everywhere. I'd rather clean as I go. However, it is what it is. Some of this is going. I don't want any of this. I don't know about that desk either. I don't think I want that either. I have to take down all of this, and someone covered the blackboards with butcher paper, which is fine, except for I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to get rid of whatever that tape is. And I'm not done. Let me just go show you where the rest of my stuff is. So here we go. Turn on the light here. So that, most of that all has to go in my room. It's gonna be real fun. I have too much stuff. I need to get rid of some things. Seriously. All right, so I got the boards all clear. The tape actually came off a lot easier than I was anticipating. There's a little bit of sticky residue, but I can deal with it. There were 4 layers of paper on that bulletin board. 4. Why? Like 3 different blues and a red, and then the fadeless, or the better than paper. So that's gotta go. That file cabinet's gotta go. It looks so much better. Nice and fresh and clean. I am leaving those alone. I'm probably gonna just finish the rest of this with black because I don't know what that particular contact paper was. The curtains are probably coming down. And I'm assuming this is leaving. That's our old smart boards because now we have the boxes. So I'm assuming that guy's gone, but we'll see. Okay, so I need to empty that out, this cart out, so that I can load all the 5th grade stuff onto the cart, and then actually tomorrow maybe or sometime go get the rest of the things out of my portable. I need to go on that shelf. These need all to be cleaned and leveled because some of them are really gross, but I'm not doing that today. That's gonna be like a small group table, sped area for my sped partner, little work spots, cool down spots, whatever. Kind of wrote out what I want to do. These 2 tables need to go. This desk needs to go. File cabinet needs to go. I put nothing in a file cabinet. Again, those need to be loaded in the 5th grade cart. Kind of set my lights out where I want them so I can figure out what kind of extension cords to get. The Chrome card fits perfectly in that spot. I'm so excited. So yeah, so I don't know where I'm gonna put the flowers. I think I might put them above that bookshelf that looks like it's about to collapse under the weight of things. I don't really know. So yeah, not doing a whole lot of decorating today, sadly. I'd love to, but nope. Okay, this room currently makes me nuts. Just piles of things everywhere. Okay, so I had thrown stuff in here, so I took it all back out and redid it, so that stuff kind of makes sense. I still haven't put anything in that drawer, which is kind of nice. I still have some things to bring from home that go in that, but that's, you know, contained, and I can put my coat there. It fits. I'm so excited. And then I did do this. I have a paper organizer that my sister was using, and she's not teaching this year, so I'm gonna get hers. So that's where all that paper is gonna go. And then I have all of my mini Sterilite containers. I still have one in the lounge that I may end up leaving there because I just don't have space for it. That is all 5th grade stuff. So now that I've got that cleared off, I'm gonna go to my room and get the rest of the stuff that is on my bookshelf. Not getting the bookshelf, just the stuff. I'm keeping some of that. There's guided reading books. I'm kind of gonna organize those. These are my next task. Cleaning, peeling off stickers, all of the things. I hate it, but I'm gonna do it. All the piles of things. That box is stuff that I have to return or is going to like other teachers that I know where it's going. Still haven't decided where I'm putting the flowers up. I have so many posters and things to hang, but that is not gonna happen today, sadly. And then we have this. This box and this box are things that I am getting rid of that were either in here or some of them were mine. And they gotta go. So whenever we decide where that stuff is gonna be, I'm gonna hand that out to people that want it. We have a bunch of new teachers, so there is some stuff in there that's probably pretty valuable. Some of it's junk, but at least I gave them the opportunity before I threw it away. So my teacher toolbox is still in my classroom, old portable, so that's gonna go there. Those are done. I have no idea where I'm gonna put my binders. I guess they'll go on one of those cubbies. Got my daily things, they're not in order. Mini fridge is up. I'm working on that. I gotta get a lampshade because that one broke. I have a sink again. I'm so excited. And then I cleaned out under there. That was nasty. So that's all clean. Okay, so this is most of my library books. There's actually a few more in boxes in other rooms, and there's a whole giant crate of them still. And some of them are my read alouds, so they're not gonna stay in the library. I think I'm gonna have to store some books. I'm not gonna be able to put them all out, but I will store them in crate seats, which I'm very excited to use again. So I have 3 of those, so they'll be good storage. This is going, these 2 are going. I don't know if these are staying or not. I kind of like this, but I haven't decided if I love it or not. Like, it's a good little workspace for like partner work or whatever. I just have to fix the tables. So over here, I have some teacher supplies, dividers. I'm gonna put my read alouds on these 2 shelves. I really hope they fit. And then there's indoor recess. I don't let the children do my read alouds. They're not real gentle with books, so. I have started some lists. I've labeled some chalkboards. All of this needs to go. And then I've got their drawers, which I need to find a bolt for that cart because I lost the bolt in the move. So yes, so I'm gonna do a little bit more cleaning. I'm gonna stay here for about an hour more and then I'm done. Okay, so I did a few more things like this. There we go. So this little guy is the best. It turns on and off lights. So, you know, at the end of the day, I just go boop, boop, boop. Now that one I have to press the button, but it's not that big of a deal. I need to get a shade for that guy because the shade broke in the move. And I did get a few things cleared off, so it looks a little bit less like a bomb went off. Slightly. Only slightly. Only slightly less. I did get some stuff done, so I'm gonna do a little bit more and then I'm done. Okay, a little bit different look from this morning. I think I'm gonna end vlog 2, 3, I'm not really sure what number I'm on. Whatever it is. I think it's the second one. I think we're gonna end vlog 2 here, and the putting away of all these things will happen a little bit tomorrow, maybe a little bit next week. I really didn't want to come in next week, but I don't think I'm going to make it if I don't, because holy disaster. Made very good progress. I got a lot done. I just have a whole lot to do. Toodles.